Hey, Grayson and Phil here for Millennial Media, and today we are going to be showing you how to set up a Facebook pixel, which should help you track every single event and action made on anybody that's visited your Facebook page or website in the past. Phil.
Yeah, so here we're going to go to Business Manager, and we're going to go ahead and click on that top menu, and we're going to hit Pixels, and then we're going to go to Create a Pixel. And we're going to type in our website information, and then we're going to hit Manually Add Pixel. And here's the pixel code. And so what you're going to want to do is copy and paste this, and you need to put it in the header of every single page on your website. All right, so now we're going to talk about using Facebook's Event Setup tool. This will give you more details about what people do on your website once it's set up. So you go ahead and type in your website. This tool is going to open your website. It's going to also have a Facebook pop-up here so that we can create the events. Okay, so now we're on the website, and on the stainless steel chicken dipper page, we're going to track this page. So we're going to go ahead and hit track URL, and we're going to go ahead and select the type of event it is, which is basically just view the content of this page, and we're going to confirm that event. So now anytime anybody goes to this URL, we're going to get notified of that. Next, we're going to track a new button, the Add to Cart button, so that anytime anybody adds something to cart, we're going to know. And we're going to go ahead and confirm that. So as you can see now, the Add to Cart event is set up. Now we're going to go to the cart, and we're going to track this URL because we want to know anytime anybody's in the shopping cart. So we're going to call this an Initiate Checkout event. And now that we've selected Initiate Checkout, we're also going to choose the value on page. And this will be variable, so it'll change the amount based upon what's on that page. We just go ahead and choose the value, and we go ahead and select the subtotal. And we're going to go ahead and confirm that. Okay, so now that we got the Initiate Checkout events set up, we'll be able to track return on investment on those events, which is very important for your business, so that you know if you spend $100, you want to know how much money you're making by spending that $100 on those ads, and this will allow you to do that. So congratulations, you have learned how to set up a Facebook pixel and how to also set up event tracking within Facebook.